In this video, we are going to walk you through using the out-of-box Software Sprawl report, available in the Technology Intelligence platform. The credentials you will need to perform this function is IT Visibility, Manage Dashboards. Let's get started. I'm going to navigate to IT Visibility, Technology Intelligence Reports, and select Software. From the list of software dashboards, I'm going to locate the Software Sprawl report and open it. On this first tab, you'll see products deployed by category and products deployed by manufacturer. Let's hone in on one of these specific categories by selecting Business Intelligence. As you can see, the visualizations all adjust just to represent Business Intelligence category. As you can see, we have 4 products and 4 different manufacturers. This is something we want to look into. I'm going to right-click on Business Intelligence and hit Drill Through Software Details. Here, you'll see the number of versions behind, the number of installs, the life cycle stage name, the release, and the version, where you can kind of decide where you want to focus your efforts. In this case, I see I have 12 installs for Power BI Desktop, and it's 37 versions behind. This is the one that we're going to drill in on more. So I'm going to right-click on Business Intelligence. I'm going to click Drill Through, and you can see there's a software and hardware correlation details. Here you'll find a list of the actual devices, their category, and the number of releases and versions available here. From here, you could export this out as a list by selecting the More button and Export Detail.